What happens if my business partner registers the trademark for our company and puts himself on as the owner? I got this question today. I'm going to answer it here live in the next 3 minutes. I'm Angela Langlotz, trademark and copyright attorney. I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademarks and copyrights. So I got this interesting question today. Somebody asked me, what do I do if my business partner went behind my back and registered our company name as a trademark, but he put his name as the owner on the trademark application instead of the name of our company? Well, you've got some problems, I told her. I said, well, this is really a good reason why you need to have some kind of agreement before you start doing business with other people about who is going to own what and what the various rights and responsibilities of the partners are. This can be drafted up into the corporate bylaws, or if you're an LLP or an LLC, the operating agreement. And these sorts of agreements are really important because it memorializes the intent of the parties upon coming into the business relationship. And it's important to do all of these things when everything is going well, because when everything goes south, nobody wants to talk about, what the expectations were. Everybody just wants to take their ball and go home, and there's very little progress that's going to be made on hammering out an agreement about who's going to do what and who's owed what. So when you form a new company or you have an idea and you want to do that with somebody, it's really good when you start doing business or you're anticipating doing business that you get a trademark application on file with the name of the company or the entity that's going to own the trademark, not one of the partners. Now, what happens, for example, if later on the partner gets sued? That trademark is part of his property. And so is that company asset now going to be taken to satisfy the partner's debt? Who knows? This is why you don't want to own company trademarks in the name of one of the partners. Own it in the name of a company or in another LLC that you set up expressly to hold things like intellectual property, because you can always license it back. That way, if the operating business comes into some sort of trouble, your trademarks and other intellectual property won't be at risk. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here on weekdays to talk about trademarks. You can find me on Facebook at facebook.com/trademarkdoctor, online at TrademarkDoctor.net. And if you like these videos, there is a whole channel on YouTube. Just go to YouTube, search Trademark Doctor. You'll find over 500 videos there about trademark and copyright law. If you have questions, drop them into the comments below. I'm happy to answer those on a future live video.